Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a real quick trick with OBS, okay? It's how to turn your OBS into a prompter, okay? Into a teleprompter or whatnot. So you don't need a third screen or fourth screen or fifth screen or a teleprompter for that matter. Technically, I have two screens to do this, but in theory, it can be done with one screen. Okay, I'm going to actually show myself right now, just so you guys can see in this somewhat complicated setup. I have it not really complicated. I'm using another thing to record so you guys don't see an infinite window. Ignore this. This is from my Elgato capture card. It had no source because I don't have any of my console turned on. Anyway, so back to the matter at hand. So in order to make this a prompter, I'm going to show you guys real quick this, okay? This is, pretend it's my script, okay? All I did is I created a new source and it's a window, you know, that says this is a script, okay? So what we are going to do is right click on it, okay? And then you guys won't be able to see this because it will be cut off a bit. But at the top, it would say open source projector. It should be the second one down or somewhere on the list, depending on what you'll all have installed. It will show your monitor, but then it will also show new window. You click on new window and then it opens it in a new window. You can then resize said new window as you need. And then you can even move the new window. Say you guys can't see it again, but I moved it to another monitor. So you can actually move this new window around. So you can literally be recording something and then pop this up in the new window, because as you guys saw, this scene isn't live, because when this scene is live, it hides my webcam. But I was still able to create a new window by right clicking on the scene and projecting it. So yeah, and then like I said, you just grab the side, you can make it larger, and then there's your script that you can do, and you know, and everything. I'm going to put it here so you guys can see it, and you guys can see that it's actually monitoring that document notepad that I had it monitored. So like if I wanted to change the script, you know, to a few things, this is only a test. See? And yeah, there we go. Just as simple as that. You don't need a teleprompter. You don't need a prompter. You don't need anything like that. But with that said, a prompter would technically make your life a little bit easier. Okay. It's a convenience, though. It really is, though. It's a convenience, and it's a very convenient convenience. I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to pick up Elgato's prompter. And yeah, it's a very good convenience. I'm not opposed to getting one. I just want to give you guys a sort of free alternative, if you will. So hopefully this has helped in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.